I'm Steve Poteet with Kellie Copeland Ministries.
Oh, you are?
Yes, ma'am.
They say he sent you?
Yes, ma'am, they did.
Oh, my.
Listen, we also want to help you with some finances. That's going to take care of some stuff.
Thank you so much.
You're going to be okay. You're exactly right. God's got you.
Yes, he does.
It's going to be just fine.
Thank you for coming and helping. Thank you.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. It's our pleasure. Wish it was under different circumstances.
That's okay. You know, anytime you see a miracle from God,
Amen.
it's a good day.
Amen.
It's a
Amen.
good day.
Amen it is.
You know, just because a disaster hits you, it's not that it's the disaster that hits you, but it's the peace of God that hits you through the storm. That's what keeps you. And that's when you really become aware of God being totally alive, and that He's with you, and that He cares about you, and He loves you, and He'll do whatever He can if you'll just put your faith in Him and trust Him. God has had me reading Kellie Copeland's book, Protection in Dangerous Times.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any children, but God had me reading that book, and He says, you read it how many ever times you have to read it until you know that I'm your protection. So God had me reading that like 2 months before this happened. It was Kellie Copeland's book. And I was like, so when we were in the middle of it, I'm going, you know, and I kind of questioned, you know, when it hit my house, I went, because I was so sure it wasn't going to, you know, it's just so sure. But that's what I've learned. It's like, it's not that you get missed necessarily, but we were so protected. I was protected. We were protected. We were protected by God. And so it wasn't the house, it was us. And it was the relationships we built while we were going through that, you know? It was just amazing.